past couple months, all I've been hearing from college baseball is this pitcher from Tennessee named Ben Joyce who throws 104 miles an hour consistently, which is absolutely ridiculous. But the one thing I've always been wondering is, what is that equivalent to in softball? So we're going to do the math today. So what we're going to do first, let's get our equation for velocity, which is distance over time, which we're then going to solve for time. So we get time equals distance over velocity. Now time is the only thing we care about because it should be the same between baseball and softball, which would be the batter's reaction time, which would be the time it takes for the ball to get from the mound to the plate. Now we're taking mound to the plate instead of pitcher's release to the plate because it's going to make our lives that much easier. And we know this for baseball and this for softball, so we're just going to equate them because the time's going to be the same. So we have the distance baseball over velocity of the baseball equals distance for softball over velocity of the softball. This is going to be the mound distance for baseball, 60 feet 6 inches, over the velocity of the baseball, 104 miles an hour. Going to go mound distance for softball, 43 feet, over velocity of the softball. Now I know this looks a little funky, but everything's going to multiply over. Feet are going to cancel out, and you're going to be left with miles an hour. And when you put this into your very fancy calculator, you're going to get the softball equivalent to be just about 73.92 miles an hour. This is absolutely insane. This is just under what Paige Lowry was throwing when she came out of the bullpen for Oklahoma in the 2017 World Series, which was 75 miles an hour, which is insane. If you're throwing 104 in baseball and it's 75-ish in softball with movement, that's extremely difficult to hit, and you are a very good pitcher. But if you're able to hit it, you are that much better of a hitter. So good for Tennessee and good for Oklahoma, I guess, too.